Hey, and Chris, you can temp stow those in node 2 right now. At the end of the day, we'll put them in the docking mechanism accessories kit.
And while spacecraft communicator Matt Dunn talks to Chris Williams inside the International Space Station, our first view inside Dragon, a good view of NASA's Mike Fink. To his left is the Dragon commander, Zena Cardman of NASA. Another view from another camera showing Cardman in the foreground. The other crew members who are all suited up now are Kimiya Yui of the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency and Oleg Platonov of Roscosmos. They are working through pre-departure preparations, running through several checklists that will culminate with the closing of the hatch that will enable us to get a more refined time frame for the actual undocking. This is Mission Control Houston. With the successful completion of the leak checks on the 4 crew members for Crew-11 aboard the Dragon Endeavour, 4 good suits reported and confirmed by the SpaceX engineers at their mission control room in Hawthorne, California. So just a quick recap, the crew loaded all of the cargo aboard Endeavour that will be brought back to Earth for a splashdown in the wee hours Thursday morning off the coast of California. They closed the hatch between the station and Dragon at 2:29 p.m. Central Time, 3:29 p.m. Eastern Time. All of this pointing towards the undocking of Dragon from the space-facing port of the Harmony module of the International Space Station. The updated undocking time is now scheduled at 4:20 p.m. Central, 5:20 p.m. Eastern Time, leading to a splashdown early Thursday morning off the coast of California at 2:41 a.m. Central, 12:41 a.m. Pacific Time. There's a view of the Dragon Endeavour with the 4 crew members in good shape, all suited up, ready to begin the journey home to wrap up 167 days in space.
Dragon copies.
Undocking confirmed. Endeavour begins its journey home with the Crew-11 crew. Undocking
Dragon
confirmed.
SpaceX separation confirmed. Dragon SpaceX separation confirmed.
Dragon copies. CC the same. Dragon copies. CC the same.
A good undocking burn, 4:20 p.m. Central Time, 5:20 p.m. Eastern Time for undocking, as Dragon and the International Space Station flew 260 statute miles south of Australia.
Dragon SpaceX on the big loop. Depart, burn 0 complete.
So we've had 3 good departure burns. The undocking burns 1 and 2, departure burn 0. Go in the wee hours Thursday morning.
Houston station on 2, ISS thrusters are enabled.
Houston copies.
That the voice of Chris Williams of NASA on board the station as we look inside Dragon over the shoulders of Zena Cardman and Mike Fink. We expect Dragon to exit the approach ellipsoid and for joint operations to conclude between Houston and Hawthorne in the neighborhood of about 4:40 p.m. Central, 5:40 p.m. Eastern Time. Coming up is Endeavour's departure and exit from the keep-out sphere, the first of these 2 boundaries that are used to essentially measure the neighborhood of the International Space Station during rendezvous and departure operations. This is Mission Control Houston. Once again,